Hello guys, the original marking guys is here upside, little upside, see here. That's why I put additional marking here, because if I set this original guide, the problem guys is here. This timing pin in crankshaft cannot coming. Because there is a hole in the inside crankshaft. See, if I set that one, this hole cannot coming. Now little up, so this one coming good. So that's why maybe there is a problem from this pulley, or I don't know. So that's why I make marking also, but the original is little upside. But to make sure, I put also marking here. So this is the QS 615 guys, and also here also guys, there is a special tools, see? I insert. And also this area also little twist different, but here already sitting in the injector area. So it means before, during tightening, the other technician not using this special tools, because here already sitting, but here no. See, little loss. I already try also. There is the other also same. I try also this one same. So I have puller. So now need to first guy need to open this one, this spur need to open position to get the end play clearance. Now guy, no more end play clearance, because this one guy, there is a sub gear, there is 2 gear inside to reduce the noise of the gear. See, there is 2 gear. Name for this one guys is a sub gear. Okay guys, sub gear. Now guys, this gear gana guys, no more play guys. Like this position guys, no more play. Also upside check, no more play. No more play also here the more play, because this spring guy, there is a bolt and a spring guys. This function guy for the, this is the name for the sub gear. It means to reduce the noise of the timing gear. So now need to open 2 bolt, 1 here and 1 here, opposite. Okay guys, and same also upside to get in play. Because this spring now already tension, need to release. Okay. Full touch. So you know guys, already open this 2 bolt guy, open and little tight to release this sub gear here. because if this one close, this gear down to reduce the noise. Now have play guys, see? Also this idler gear also, see? Wait, move. Don't close. Upside. And then next guy, we open also same procedure, this downside, 2 bolt. Okay. So guys, to release the pressure of the gear. Name for this one guy is sub gear. Need to open to get play clearance. Check it. Now guys, have play now. See? Move. Sorry. Moving. Upside. Yeah. Upside. You know. Up play now. Only 2 bolt guys. Oh, light open. Light. Put light this area. We mix in there. Check the gear here. Gear. Okay. Sige, moving. Check play. Now, okay guys. Now, half play now because already released the pressure. This 2 bolt guy. 1 and 2. Okay. You can check here the gear level now. Little more adjust. To release the pressure. See? Okay. Check plate. Like that guy, if you mix heating guy like that, at least like that position guy, we can put pillar gauge. Okay, check play here, downside and upside, all check. See? Now guys, we put pillar gauge clearance because this one guy dismantle. I'm a first time also open this engine. At least before you dismantle guys, you must check, double check to make sure that when you assemble again, good. See guys, now guys, we check guys the clearance for this side, the crankshaft area, crankshaft idler gear with sub gear and injector, idler sub gear. Yeah. This one guy 0.15 mm, okay, from this side, and and this side 0.20 mm, and this side 0.50 mm. Okay guys, this engine guys, first time open guys, that's why I make a review before I open. So I want to check the exact clearance. See here. Now this 50, we insert here. See. See, 50 mm guys. Okay. Check here. 50 mm. Okay. Now we go to the 20 mm. See na guys, 20 mm. 20 mm. Insert there. Okay. See here guys, 20 mm. Guys, okay guys. Now this 15. 15. 15 mm here. Check here 15. This is the 15. See, 15 mm. Okay guys. This is the clearance guys between this valve gear and injector gear. Clearance is 15 mm. Okay guys, 0.15 mm for the between the valve gear, engine valve gear, drive and injector valve injector gear drive. The clearance is 0.15 mm. And for this idler gear, for the sub gear also here 0.20 mm. Okay guys, and this side also guys, this crankshaft area idler gear 0.50 mm. This side guys, no need to check clearance guys. Okay guys, you see here, only set the timing. No more space to put filler gauge guys. Okay, you can sit here. That's why big clearance this I get to make sure there is clearance downside. Okay, this engine guys, first time open. That's why before I open, I make check the clearance. Okay, now ready to remove the gear guys.